And it wasn't until we started using SyncApps that we could suddenly like just select the list and poof, it was in
Yeah.
MailChimp.
I think this would be a great video for our viewers right now, that for those app to users, as what you mentioned a while ago. So how did this help you, I mean, sold the units or apartments complex or gain more leads?
Absolutely. So the primary thing about my vision for marketing, and you mentioned I worked in marketing as a technical SEO, search engine optimization guy, web analytics, and a little bit of social media back in like 2007, 2010. So that kind of early Great Recession timeframe. I'm very much about providing my clients with, information or properties which are very directly relevant to them. So if you've come to me and asked for a 10-unit apartment building just in the White Circle, I'm not going to send you a 50-unit building up here. I need to make sure that I'm sending the right type of property to the right type of people. So within Salesforce, everybody gets coded into different buckets. Do you want something right in Edmonton or something outside of Edmonton or something way up north? That's really fun with the camera. And do you want small, medium, large? Do you want stuff that's brand new? Do you want stuff you can fix up? And I need to, slice and dice. So when I get a particular listing that comes to me that might be just outside of town and 20 units, I want to be able to generate an email list which is focused just on that. And quite often, like if it's a good deal, I want a very small list of my A-class buyers, because every buyer gets a class A, B, C, or F.
Yeah.
And so I want to send a small email out to the top 20 people. And then I want to send a bigger email out to everybody who likes that area. And then eventually I send it out to everybody. Well, that's 3 different email blasts, 3 different subsegments. So everybody's got these tags, and putting them all together took a long time till we figured out that in Salesforce, we can use the list view to create, whatever, a dozen lists for small, medium, large, for A-class buyers or C-class buyers. And it wasn't until we started using SyncApps that we could suddenly like just select the list and poof, it was in MailChimp. And it's so much, cutting to the chase a little bit, but
exactly,
so much
because
simpler.
Exactly, because it's part of the feature in SyncApps, as what you've mentioned a while ago, that your potential buyers of this category, right? The A, B, C, D.
Mhm.
So which of this category, Chris, dominates the sale?
I believe in the 80-20 rule. I think that the A-class people tend to do the bulk of our sales.
Wow.
But when I think about the different people that are in that category, it's not like they work their way up from C's to B's to A's. They were quite often in there as a C, and then they come to the market and they just do a bunch of deals, and now poof, they're an A. And the other thing about those A-type people that was really in my mind when I didn't want to just dump everybody into one email list. Some of my clients literally own $1 billion in real estate. I'm not going to just email him random crap all the time. I need to be very careful about that individual.
Exactly.
So
I get your point there, man.
It's like all good. It's all good. Marketing is, it's not about what I want to say to them. It's what they want to hear. So it's making sure I can be very elegant about how I touch people and when.
If you like what you saw and you want to listen to the full episode, just click the link below and enjoy.